So we've seen foiling before, and I want to introduce you to another method. This is called the box method. So, for example, I'm given x minus 3 and x plus 2, and I want to FOIL this. So originally we went through and we times through like this, first, outer, inner, last. We're going to do it, the first one this way, just so you see that this method we're introducing gives you the same answer. So if I take the x, times it to the x, I get x squared. Take the x, times it to the 2, I get plus 2x. Take the negative 3, times it to the x, I get minus 3x. And take the negative 3 and times it to the 2, I get minus 6. So I've taken both of these things and times it to both things in here. So x times both, negative 3 times both. And you end up with this. Well, if I look at this list, I notice two of them are like terms. So those middle two terms, 2x minus 3x, can combine to make minus x. So we end up with a final answer like this. Well, let's show you what the box method looks like. So what you do is you take and you draw yourself, if any of you have taken like genetics or biology and see Punnett squares with DNA, dominant recessive traits, this is the same idea. So you take the first one and you say x minus 3. You take the second one and say x plus 2. Then we just times the two things that line up in the boxes. So x times x gives me x squared. X times negative 3 gives me minus 3x. 2 times x gives me 2x. 2 times 3 gives me minus 6. If I look through these four things, two of them are like terms. So this one comes first because it has the highest power. Combining these two, 2x minus 3x is minus x, and the last one is minus 6. Notice this matches. That's what we got before. Let's do two more examples. X minus 4, x minus 5. So we draw our box. So we say x minus 4, x minus 5. X times x, x squared. X times negative 4, minus 4x. Negative 5 times x, minus 5x. Negative 5 times negative 4, positive 20. Once again, our like terms. So we get x squared, negative 5 and negative 4 combine to make minus 9x plus 20. Okay, one more. So say, for example, I was given x squared plus 1 and x minus 2. So we can, even though this isn't quite the same structure as the others, we can still do it. So we can say x squared plus 1 and x minus 2. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 1 is positive x. X squared times negative 2 is minus 2x squared. Negative 2 times 1 is minus 2. Notice none of these x's powers are the same, so there's no like terms like the other ones, so we just list from highest to lowest. So we say x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. And this would be FOILed.